welcome back. I haven't been posting for a while. I was on vacation in Europe and then I got sick, but it doesn't matter because today we are going to review this mini DV cam. It's the 4th generation, the SQ12. Let's look at it. So this is the camera, pretty small, less than 2 centimeters for a side. You got a TF card input. You got this is not a micro USB connection, but is a special connection that is a special connection for this camera. On the upper side you got 2 buttons, and that's it. It's a pretty simple design. You must be asking yourself, why do I need this camera? So I think it has many uses. First thing that comes in my mind, that it's a wonderful dash cam for traveling. Also you can use it for surveillance purposes because it's so small. You can put it in your house or in your car and see what's going around. It's got a motion detection function, and it's got other uses like B-roll second cam for different angle, and also I would use it for high-risk situations when there is a chance your cam will be destroyed. For this price, most of you can afford to lose it. So let's see what we've got with this package. So this is the supplied equipment with this camera. So you got a 3-way cable. You can use it in 3 different uses. First, the charging, of course. Second, it's got a video out, and the third use, you can use this cable to run the cam while it's recording. You got a clip mount, not the strongest one I ever see, but it will hold on, and it's pretty small and discreet. And you got a more stable mount with 2 holes in it for mounting it in different places. This camera also have a waterproof casing, which I think I'll be ordering soon. Pretty good manual in English and Chinese. So let's see how this camera performs. I will check in it in different environments and different uses and see how it works. I'll have to do it fast because there is a storm coming outside. As you can see, this is a 155 degrees lens with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Quality is actually pretty bad, but I don't regret buying this camera because of its price and functionality. In the following video you will see some interesting footage I did with this camera and its versatility in different situations. I'll put a link below for purchasing this camera on GearBest, and see you next time in the next video. Bye, have fun.